The TRACO POWER ERK15U-1515 power supply offers high-quality and reliable power with versatile output options, perfect for diverse applications. This product offers multiple output options, ensuring versatility and adaptability to different needs. It is supported by a reliable power source, guaranteeing consistent performance and dependability. Designed to be ideal for various applications, it caters to a wide range of uses, making it a versatile and practical choice for diverse operational requirements. The product offers a high-quality power source, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. It features versatile output options, accommodating a wide range of requirements. Additionally, it supports various applications, making it suitable for diverse uses across different settings. The product is characterized by its high quality and reliability, ensuring dependable performance across diverse applications. It offers versatility with multiple output options, catering to a wide range of user needs and preferences. The TRACO POWER ERK15U-1515 offers versatile output options, including 5 VDC2A, 15 VDC0.3A, and 15 VDC0.3A. This adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of electronic devices and applications. Its multiple output options offer unmatched flexibility, catering to a wide range of electronic devices. Whether in sensitive electronics or industrial equipment, this power supply ensures seamless integration and reliable performance. The TRACO POWER ERK15U-1515 is a versatile power supply, ideal for a wide range of applications. Its multiple output options provide flexibility, making it suitable for various electronic devices and industrial equipment. Thank you for watching us.